starter replacement on a 2009 Impala. First remove the positive battery cable. You won't get electrocuted when you pull the starter.
Rock 103, Columbus's Rock Station. Chad Tyson, thanks for hanging out, rocking your weekend with us tonight. Get some Kenny Wayne Shepherd on the way by request after Twist and Sister.
So,
if your boss asks you to work this weekend, sorry, I have plans to update. This is Rock Station, Rock 103.
that out.
Rock 103, Columbus's rock station. Chad Tyson, Kenny Wayne Shepherd there, blue on black for a Joe hit me up over on Facebook tonight. And just a heads up, man, I actually had a chance to catch up with Kenny Wayne Shepherd earlier this week. He called in to talk about some shows he's going on his tour this year with Kenny Wayne Shepherd, man. And also about firing back up that Jimi Hendrix Experience tour, which is going to be getting started mid-September. And he's also got another record coming out next month, Dirt on My Diamonds Volume 2, the follow-up to a Volume 1, which came out towards the end of last year. I think in November last year they came out. But yeah, we talked about both records, the tours, and a bunch of other stuff. If you missed it, you can catch up on demand over on my Rock and Roll Basement podcast this weekend on the free iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.
As a rideshare driver, I love keeping my car smelling fresh and clean. So when I'm driving, I only trust new Febreze car vent clips. Now with 3 times greater scent control, because it's that little touch that sets me apart. I can turn the intensity down for subtle freshness, or I can turn it up for when I want lots of scent. So whether it's set to low, medium, or high, with new Febreze car, I know my car's going to smell amazing. Which keeps my driving rating right where it belongs. Picking up, Oscar!
Cam found out that group chats between different phones aren't private or encrypted. Thank you. We only text in code. Yes, which I created. I created a code. Yes. Which can be a little annoying. Wait, was that your attempt at the code? You already forgot the code, didn't you? I should write it down.
The place to safely send messages between different devices. WhatsApp. Message privately with everyone.
Let's go! Shop the Rooms to Go Columbus Outlet in-store clearance stock sale today, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and tomorrow 11 to 6. It's your chance to get extra savings off our already reduced outlet prices. Just look for the color dots throughout the store. Blue dots get an extra 10% off. Green dots 20% off. Red dots double the savings for an extra 40% off. Choose from select floor samples, overstocks, one-of-a-kind, slightly damaged items, and more.
I'm not doing this trade.
Items have many at near even below cost. Again, blue dots get an extra 10%. Green dots 20%.
Don't ever tighten and break
Red
it.
dots get an extra 40% off. Today, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tomorrow, 11 to 6. At the Rooms to Go Columbus Outlet in-store clearance stock sale. 64.99 Veterans Parkway at the intersection of Veterans Parkway and Willesee Road. Shop for best selection. For more weekly outlet specials, go to Rooms
That one back here.
/outlet. See store for details. Just don't miss this sale. Recently, a new client called me and started by saying, Mr. Morgan, I really need your help, but I'm just a nobody. Those words scanned me, and I immediately called him back. And we're now helping him and his family after a terrible accident. I'm John Morgan of Morgan Morgan.
Flipped all the way.
Everybody who comes to our firm at their
This
time
back
of
up.
need is a somebody. I grew up poor, but my grandmother was like a queen to us. And Morgan Morgan, our goal is to level the playing field for you and your family and your time of need. The insurance company has
Go back
unlimited
in.
money and resources. You need a firm who can fight them toe to toe. For right at 30 years, we have fought them in courtrooms throughout America. Our results speak for themselves. And always remember this, everybody is a somebody, and nobody is a nobody. Visit forthepeople.com to learn about our firm, Morgan Morgan, for the people. Enter visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
Hey, can you pull up some balloons for Jack's party?
I can't. I'm so congested.
You need Sinex saline from Vicks.
Sinex saline nasal spray.
Yeah, just Sinex. Breathe.
Sinex saline instantly clears everyday congestion associated with colds and ear
Go with it.
with a gentle, ultra-fine mist that's no mess and easy to control.
One goes on the right side. One goes on the left.
Without congestion, try Sinex saline from Vicks. Just Sinex. Breathe. Use as directed. Yes, ma'am. If you're 55 and up, T-Mobile has an exclusive rate plan just for you. Right now, get 2 lines of talk, text, and data for just $30 a line. That's a 45% savings versus Verizon and AT&T. Plus, you can get one of the latest 5G phones free when you add a That's right, a free 5G phone. Experience all this and more on America's largest 5G network. So why wait? At T-Mobile, customers 55 and up can get 2 lines of talk, text, and data for only $30 a line. Just go to T-Mobile.com/choice55 or visit your local store to make the switch. With AutoPay using debit or bank account plus taxes and fees, 45% off 2 lines versus AT&T Starter and Verizon Walkup. Plan benefits vary. Free phones up to $3 off with 24 monthly bill credits and qualifying new line for well-qualified customers plus tax and $35 device connection charge. Contact us before canceling entire accounts to continue working bill credits, and if you pay off device early, see details at T-Mobile.com.
You know what makes summer feel like summer? Firing up the grill with Kingsford Original Charcoal. The sound, the smell, the taste. Kingsford Original gives your favorite booze that smoky wood-fired flavor you can't get anywhere else. So, grab a bag of Kingsford Original Charcoal, America's grilling expert, and let's celebrate summer the Kingsford way. Kingsford.com. We need your help to protect your right to AM radio in your AM is always there in times of need with the key information for our community. The overwhelming majority of legislators support a bill to keep AM radio in cars. The time is running out. Please text the 2 letters AM to 52886 and ask Congress to bring this bill to the floor for a vote now. Text AM to 52886.
Message and data rates may apply. You may receive up to 4 messages a month. Text stop to stop. A message from the station.
Introducing the latest
Lord.
the all-in-one tool that gives you a mop and bucket clean in half the time. The solutions built right in, so no heavy bucket. And the path has hundreds of scrubbing strips to get deep into ground. Double harder. Box
Started, not all the way.
Less is more? No, more is more. That's why Taco Bell's new $7 Lux Cravings Box is stacked with all your cheesy, crunchy favorites. Think a beefy 5-layer burrito, a double stacked taco, a chili with supreme chips and nacho cheese sauce, and a drink for just $7. Live Lux for less at Taco Bell and sign up for rewards to earn free food. Participating Taco Bell stores for limited time only. Supply last. Price and participation varies. Drinks exclude drinks. Tax extra. Rewards programs subject to terms and conditions. Don't turn on qualifying purchases.
Halftime means back-to-school shopping time at Target. Get your phone about that. We're saving 30% off. Wow, look at this. Backpacks, clothes, shoes, and 30% off. There's the pizza bag. My daughter's gonna love this heart team. Better grab some leggings, too. And glue sticks and crayons? All at 30% off this week only. My sideline shopping
Back on.
is strong.
When it comes to getting 30% off, Target has your back to school.
Why choose the Sleep Number Smart Bed?
Can I make my size extra?
You make my side firmer whenever I want. Everything we sleep cooler. Sleep Number does that. Cools up to 8 times faster and lets you choose your ideal comfort on either side. 94% of Sleep Number smart sleepers report better sleep. And now save 40% on a Sleep Number limited edition smart bed. Plus free home delivery on select smart beds when you add an adjustable base. Find a store near you. Visit sleepnumber.com.
I'm feeling so sluggish. I'm just kind of blah. In there. That's why I take Align yogurt coated probiotic fruit bites. Good, I suppose they taste blah. Actually, they taste delicious. It's an apple blueberry flavored center covered in yogurt coating and is infused with probiotics to help support a healthy gut. They come 5 in a pouch. I just toss one in my bag and go. Toss one in my bag? Get your own.
New Align yogurt coated probiotic fruit bites from the makers of the #1 doctor recommended probiotic brand. Find them in the digestive care aisle.
103 weather. This report is sponsored by WhatsApp.
Tonight temperatures in the low 70s with partly cloudy skies. Sunday high temperatures in the low 90s with partly cloudy skies and isolated showers and storms. Under the UCBM meteorologist Orion Wake and Storm Team 9 Alert Center.
Me and the kids were always messaging, hey, I'm wrong, everything changed phone and bubbles went green. Where there's the films away. That's on the way to share with you here. I'm tapping my heart.
WhatsApp, the place to safely send messages between different devices. Message privately with everyone.
A celebration of the 96 Atlantic Games with Chevy.
Put it back in.
lesbian nightclub while eluding authorities for years.
Like
Why
that.
did he become a serial
Come on
bomber?
now.
And how did his evil acts save a man's
What?
life? Listen to Flashpoint on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Open your free iHeart app and search Flashpoint and start listening. Rock 103.
Right. Meter back on. Starter replacement.